this is a famous Sevdah song from Bosnia called Amina. Amina, of course, the name of a woman. And the words mean, last night when I returned from the hot hammam, I passed by the courtyard of the old Imam, and there amongst the jasmine flowers there stood beautiful Amina. I called out to her salam, but by my fate she did not even turn her head to look at me. She just took a water pitcher in her hand and she walked on down the garden path. And then he describes Amina's beauty and he says, though the old poet is dead and Amina is no more, and the pitcher of water is broken and the flowers of jasmine are withered, but the love song of Amina is eternal. Or the refrain says, Aishi Aisha, Yabasha, Konya Yashe, Subasha. Aishi Aisha are just sounds you make when you want the horses to run. So you say, Aishi Aisha, I'm trying to tame this wild horse.
Sinoć, kad se vraća iz toplog hamama, prođo pokraj bašće staroga imama. Kad tamo u bašći u sjeni jasmina s ibrikom u ruci stajaše Jermina. Ajši, Ajša, Jabaša, Konja jaše, Subaša. Ajši, Aisha, Yabasha, Konya Yashe, Subasha. Joj nas bak selam, parlo da vidina, nek tijeni da čuje preljepa lepina. Već u srebren ibri zahvatila vode, a niz bašću čule zaljeva ti ode. Ajši, Ajša, Jabaša, Konja jaše, Subaša. Ajši, Ajša, Jabaša, Konja jaše, koji ima.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।